brush of our fairy tales, itsy bitsy diamond wells, big fat hurricanes, yellow belly giving names. Well, shortcuts can slow you down, and in the end we're bound to rebound off of weed. We'll dust off your thinking caps, solar powered plastic plants, pretty pictures of things we ate, but we are only what we hate. And in the long run we have found silent films are full of sound, inaudibly free. Slow down everyone, you're moving too fast. Frames can't get you when you're moving like that. Inaudible melodies of narration, no strategies, unobtrusive tones help to notice nothing but the zone of visual relevancy. Frame lines tell me what to see, chopping like an axle. Maybe Eisenstein should just relax. Slow down everyone, you're moving too fast. Frames can't get you when you're moving like that. Well, Plato's cave is full of freaks demanding refunds for the things they've seen. I wish they could believe in all the things that never made the screen. And just slow down everyone, you're moving too fast. Frames can't get you when you're moving like that. Slow down